Happy New Year to all my active subscribers and welcome back to our channel. I welcome you all to this new year. This is our first long form video of the year 2026. So today we are covering the ongoing construction of the canal happening along that Asaba Benin Express way. To see this canal, to see where this particular canal construction is located, once we get to that Kilimanjaro by that road safety, opposite that road safety, that is where this canal construction is currently happening. Like you can see from my zooming, you can see the express. That express across it is where the road safety is. So inside here is where the canal construction is happening. Currently they have not gotten to that sections I showed you, including this particular area too. So, and again, a lot of demolition is currently happening around this place, as you can see in the video. They are demolishing a lot of fences and a lot of other things to create a space for the construction of the canal. Though the thing has not gotten to where I just showed you, but it has already got into this place. And when I turn around, like you can see here, you can see that the tractors are there and they are currently pushing ahead. Very soon they will get to that express. They are almost there, just two junction ahead of the main express. So but one thing I found out is that I'm kind of thinking that this thing has nothing to do with the federal government, or maybe has nothing to do with the ongoing concrete road construction of that Asaba Onitsha express road. I think this has to do with state government, but I'm yet to fully verify about it, because the same thing is currently happening inside town. From that summit axis down to Amwai road is also happening around that area. I'm thinking maybe it's a state government project, but I'm yet to make a full verification about it. So I followed this particular construction, this particular drainage system, down to where I was able to cover, but I make sure that I get to the end point, but not the final end point, because at some place the construction of the canal stops and they continue with a normal drainage system, open drainage system, because that place is a kind of bushy area. So we all see that as we continue watching the video. So the video is just should I say 15 minutes or 14 point something minutes long. Kindly sit back, grab a cup of coffee, and don't skip any of the video till you get to the end, because you're gonna really enjoy this video. You will see how they are handling the project, how the construction is ongoing. All these places we are seeing is gonna be a canal. After the construction of the drainage system, they will cover it. This canal will be underground, and they will now build a kind of construct road on top of it. So, but at some point, like I told you, at the end, not within this area, at the end where there is bush, the normal drainage system continues from there. So kindly sit back, watch this video to the end, and grab all the whole information. So from the beginning of the video where we showed you, you can see that some places has not been touched, but there are few almost at the express, while some places they have dug the the gutters, why nothing else has happened. Why over here you can see that they have already installed rod, and also impute other plank to start casting it or whatever. So if you go a little bit front, you will see that some of these places has also been kind of completed, and they are now started covering the up. Like over here, they have done digging the hole, but nothing else is going on around this place. They have not installed the rod or any other thing, but at some point we start seeing that the places they are covering right now, a lot of the places are being covered. They are done with the construction, so they are covering the up to be able to fill the area. Why at some point everything around that area everything around that area has also been completed. The only thing that is remaining is to sandfill the areas and put every other things that need to be added. So that is just it. Like those who ask me questions again, please, this particular DNA system where it is currently happening is once you get to that road safety, across the other side of the road safety opposite is where this construction is happening. So once you cross over opposite that road safety, you head down you head inside the street a bit, then you see where they currently are. I know maybe from, should I say, maybe from 14th, 15th, 16th of the January, they will also, move a little bit closer to the express, so that if you are just coming from that express, it will not be, hard for you to see. So this is everything you need to know about this area. So I'll allow you guys to continue watching the video until we get to where we need to analyze things. But before that, I'll also to give you a brief update concerning the ongoing construction of the concrete road happening along that Asaba Express. Currently, where they are right now is before that Ezene junction. That is where they are. Before the Ezene junction, they have not gotten to Ezene junction, but it is before the Ezene junction, so that is where they are. But currently, I did not find any workers around there. Maybe they are yet to be back from their Christmas holidays because nobody is there, but people are here already working. The only problem I had with this system, or should I say canal, is that at some point I start noticing some local work over there. Like, all these areas are very, very beautiful, neatly built, but at some point I start noticing a lot of cracks, not so neat. It seems as if they use normal plank, not this type of plywood they are using around here. They kind of use normal plank, looking like something local, local people did or something. I don't get it, but you get to see them inside this video. If I get to that place, just watch closely on the video, you find the difference. As you are seeing this particular one, just have it at back of your mind, so that once you get to that place, you will see the difference around that area. So going back to what I was explaining about the concrete road happening along that Asaba Onitsha Express Road, like I said earlier, they are currently before that Ezene junction. That's where they are, but no workers are on site. The day I filmed this video, yesterday, being 13th of January. That's when I filmed the video. So they are currently around that area, but I know maybe they are back from Xmas, maybe yet to resume the work. They are currently at that before Ezene junction. That is where they are. So I never wanted to cover the place. I don't want to cover them because I've given you guys the update concerning it. So I don't want to jump at bore you with such videos any longer this year. So we'll be giving you update concerning every road construction, and as well, go back to our normal niche, which is the travel vlog. So guys, this is where the I think this is where the that particular rough work started. So if you watch closely, you will see it that this particular area is rough, kind of rough than the previous one you are seeing before. So this particular area is very, very rough. So a lot of demolition we are done on this axis, a lot of demolition. Even this fence you are seeing was demolished, and this is new one. They just rebuilt this one after they have taking the space for this drainage system, so they rebuilt this particular things. Honestly speaking, guys, this is my first time of visiting this particular area in Asaba. I don't even know that this area exists in Asaba. Like, I trek from that express inside street, like where I've forgotten the name, but I will also give you the name. I've gotten to where a newly tied road that will take you to Gloria Land, or whatever they call it. I will get the name and also give you the thing. That is where we actually ended our video, so you will watch it. So kindly continue with the video until we get to where we needed to explain anything to you. So don't forget to watch the video to the end. Carefully watch the video so you'll be able to give us your own take concerning the thing, and as well you can ask us any questions you wish to ask and make your contributions. So guys, from here you can see that the canal has almost been completed over here. They have covered the hub and also kind of attached that long thing over here, which I don't know what is being called. So, and they are currently doing some sand fillings over there. Not all, they are doing some sand fillings in area they believe they have completed, but over here no much sand filling is going, but they have covered the up. So if you proceed down a little bit over there, you can see that they are already doing some sand filling over here, and some part of it has fully been sand filled, where remaining some finishing touches. So where we are currently heading now, which is where we are going to end our video for today, that street which they told me, I asked somebody and he told me that the name of that street is called the Madam Black. It is called Madam Black. Then the newly asphalted road around there will take you to Growly Land. That is where, what the people living around that place told me. So you can see over here that this place has been sand filled. So from there, somebody also told me that the bushes around there is back of the College of Education. So that is the new tide road that will take you to the Growly Land. And this is the street we are coming from. So if I turn around right now, you will see the bushes which they say they're being owned by the College of Education. So guys, this is where we are ending our video. Kindly subscribe to our channel. So from here, the drainage system headed down, and you can see that it is an open drainage system from here downward. So thank you, have a lovely day till we meet again.